Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Zain indicator for MT4. This powerful tool displays a histogram in a separate window below the chart with blue bars indicating bullish trends and red bars showing bearish trends, along with dots marking probable support and resistance zones and arrows pointing in the direction of the trend. In this video, you will see how the Zain indicator works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are described. The Zain indicator is a trading tool widely used in binary options and forex trading, known for its ability to identify strong price direction based on support and resistance points. It is designed to display information about these critical zones on the charts, enabling traders to make informed decisions when trading a currency pair by showing dots at probable support and resistance levels with confirmation arrows pointing in the trend direction. The indicator has a separate window below the charts displaying a histogram with blue bars representing bullish trends and red bars indicating bearish trends, with a histogram coloring its bars based on the current market trend. You can see how it looks. You can look at the histograms in the separate window, and you can also see the arrows and the dots on the chart. The Zain indicator draws dots, as you can see here, and also here below, with probable support and resistance zones, providing clear visual markers where price is likely to react. Yellow upward arrows, as you can see down here and over here as well, appear below price when bullish conditions align, while blue downward arrows, as you can see over here and here as well, appear above price when bearish setups occur, offering directional confirmation for potential entries. In the separate window below, the histogram displays blue bars during bullish trends and red bars during bearish trends, giving traders a quick visual representation of current trend direction and momentum. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Okay, we have the first time frame. The use narrow bands, Q retouch, top color, bottom color. You can also set your preferred colors and trade on your preferred time frames as well. All right, now who's this indicator for? The Zain indicator is suitable for binary options and forex traders who want to identify strong trends and ride along with them. Traders seeking additional confluence through support and resistance levels, and those who prefer quick visual representation of trend direction. Its strengths include clear trend identification through histogram colors, support and resistance rectangles providing additional confluence and confirmation, directional arrows offering entry point guidance and sustainability for both binary options and forex trading. However, as with any indicator, there's always a risk of false signals or incorrect predictions leading to losses. Traders should not rely solely on the Zain indicator, requiring other forms of analysis and risk management strategies. It may not perform well in choppy or ranging markets as it's primarily designed for trends, and some traders may find multiple support resistance levels and arrows overly complex. You can download the Zain indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how combining histogram trend visualization with support resistance dots and directional arrows creates a comprehensive tool for identifying strong price direction. If you like indicators that merge multiple confirmation elements, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.